Hello.
Thought for the day is consistency is harder when no one is clapping for you. You must clap for yourself during those times. You should always be your biggest fan. Hello everyone, this is Jaya.Shukla from Ask Jaya YouTube channel. So firstly, welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, this, as you have already seen, the title of the video is how to create your own language translator using Python programming language. So this video is quite interesting. You must be watch, and this video would be in Hindi and English too. So don't worry about any linguistic barrier. So for understanding this linguistic barrier, like I have created this language translator for you all guys, like everyone can understand your favorite language which you all know right now. So this is quite interesting. So let me open my Jupyter notebook. Yeah, so this is all about the language translator. So why I have created this, you people are thinking, like for India, or in India is a diversity country. Okay, it is a diverse country. Means diverse country means there are so many people from from different religions, from different areas. They know their languages, they are not able to understand others people languages. Okay, so it is very difficult to communicate with each other. The error would be come up with like linguistic error or linguistic barrier there. Okay, so for solving this problem, the Python programming language has created a language translator which you people can also make it through your own in just 2 minutes by typing 4 lines of code. Isn't it interesting? So it is quite interesting. So first of all, जब आप language translator बनाएंगे तो आपको सबसे पहले एक लाइब्रेरी इंस्टॉल करनी पड़ेगी. उस लाइब्रेरी का नाम है language translate library. Okay, so for installing a library, और आपको अगर कोई भी लाइब्रेरी इंस्टॉल करनी है तो there is pip command there for installing any library. Pip install translate. Let me run this. So I have already installed this package or library. So it will come up with the requirement already satisfied. So as I have already mentioned, now coming to the 4 lines of code, that is how can we make our language translator. So for that we have to import a module, that is translator, from translate. Okay, so मॉड्यूल को हमें यहाँ पर एक्सेस करना पड़ेगा और इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. ट्रांसलेट import translator. Now translator, now we have to understand कि हमें किस लैंग्वेज में हमें ट्रांसलेट टेक्स्ट को करना है. सो नाउ इक्वल्स टू translator. Now to language means किस लैंग्वेज में हमें कन्वर्ट करना है. इक्वल्स टू हिंदी. ये ऑलरेडी इंग्लिश में है तो हम हिंदी में करते हैं. नाउ अब हमें किस टेक्स्ट को हिंदी में कन्वर्ट करना है वो यहाँ पर हमें टेक्स्ट स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा. नाउ ट्रांसलेशन equals to translator dot translate. Now which text I want to specify there for converting English to Hindi. So let me, hello everyone. This is Jaya.Shukla. Okay, so this is the text which I have specified there. Now for printing this, let me print this translation. Okay, so this is the all code. This. So here is the text and sabhi ko namaskar. Let me run. Okay. Now let me run again. It is in the processing, so we have to just wait for a second. Now let me wait. Yeah, now let me take this welcome to my class. Okay, so this will be maybe quite interesting. मेरी कक्षा में आपका स्वागत है.